Hello everyone, this is Shelby with Shelby Creations. Welcome back to the Dragon's Den. Day 27, almost through August, for our Art Card August Challenge. Our August Art Card, you know what I mean. With ATC cards, 3.5 by 2.5 for our dimensions. Now, we've worked with a lot of different materials. Excuse me. We've done cardstock, we've done paper, we've done envelopes, we've done tags. One thing we have not done yet, acetate. And yes, it's going to be difficult to glue anything to acetate, but what got me on this idea was I was looking for a sticker and I found quite a few stickers that are like vellum stickers. You can see through them. You see front and back. And then I found this left over here that's got a bunch of leaves on it. So why not? You've done everything else. Let's try acetate. Now, in order to see this, I'm going to put one of these blank cards behind it. You can tell I got it into the ink pile. And just let me see my tape, because I have a feeling I'm going to need it to get these apart. So we're just going to start and see what we can come up with. And what is it going to work? Is it going to work? Oh, please work. Did it? Wait a minute, I think I got it. Yes, the tape trick worked again. Woohoo! So, I'm going to take that. I think I want to put that one like right there. Alright, number 1's down, and it seems to be sticking pretty good. I'm going to come on the other side with this other piece. Get my tape off of there. And peel this one off. Come on. Yeah, I have so much trouble with stickers. And the tape usually works. Unless I'm on camera. And that's like it doesn't work. It's like saying, nope, we're not going to do it. Oh, come on. Would give me a hard time. Wait. Do we? Looks like it. Maybe. Oh. Well, at least you know how much trouble it is getting stickers apart. Alright, let's try a different area. Maybe that piece just doesn't want to be up there. Yep, evidently you didn't like that area. So, there comes the other one. See which way this goes. I'll put that one up here in this corner. So, 2 down. And, see, I've got a mushroom. Do I want a mushroom? Or do I just want different leaves after this? I definitely want that leaf. Or maybe I'd rather do one of these leaves. Yeah, let's do these. They seem like they'll be a bit easier. Now these aren't clear like the other ones. So these may not show through, but that's okay. I've had these stickers for so long. And I used the main parts to it, but then I got down to these and I was wondering, what am I going to use these for? Alright, let's come in here with this one. I think I want this last one next. Alright, peel off for me, please. Ooh, that one came off real good. Very good, very good. Put that right down there. Do I want? I don't know. I've just got the feeling I need to use this mushroom. Yeah, which is front, which is back. Oh, I think I taped the wrong side. Some of these are so hard to figure out what... Oh, that came off really nice afterwards. Okay. Not bad. Now, I know I want a butterfly, but I'm going to take this little small one and just park him right there. And this, let me get the card back up, is what we've got. Not bad. So, now to figure out where I'm going to use it and how I'm going to use it. Because I know I do want it in my journal. And I've got the last couple of days of them sitting up here, and I haven't figured out where I wanted to put them yet. So, move that out of the way. Find a nice pretty place. Ooh, that would be perfect. Right there. Will it fit? Yep, and it'll even fit. Perfect place. Now, I can leave it like that, which I don't really think I want anything around it. Do I want to leave it there? Or, oh, it can actually go behind. No, I don't like that one. But I do like it there. So, in order to stick this down, and you see, the back of it is just the shapes. But I do like that. Now, we're going to have to be a little creative in gluing this down, because if not, you'll see the glue through the acetate. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put a little bit there, put them behind the shapes, and then that will hold it just fine, and hopefully we won't see it in the front until it becomes stringy, and then you watch, we'll catch that string there. But put that right down there. Hold it just for a minute, and then we'll see if we can see the glue. Usually Fabri-Tac works real good with acetate. That is great. And just look how that turned out. Looks like they're floating on there. Not bad. So we can add acetate to our list of what we can use for ATC materials. Now I'm going to put the rest of these back away. Get rid of some of this stuff. Got this little tin of stickers. That's where that one comes out of. This one here, though, I don't think I have any. No, nothing else under there. This goes back in my sticker book. That. I pull this down and everything comes down along with it. So, let's see, I'll just stick it in here. This is one of my sticker books. So, I made this with one of Genevieve Design's templates. I'll link her channel down below and peruse through her videos. Wonderful, wonderful ideas. But there's day 27. All nice and neat and in its place. Uh-oh. Oh my goodness. I put that in upside down. Let's see if we can salvage that. No. Now, am I the only one that does this? It didn't even dawn on me till I closed the book and saw that it was upside down. So we're going to fix that. No problem. More little dabs. Because some of the glue that we have is still on that page. I just want to make sure that it gets down there. Alright, let me see where... Okay, there we go. We'll turn it over this way and put it back where we had it, right side up. Let's see how that turned out. Well, I don't see any glue seeping through, you know, where I can see it, so hopefully we're saved. And that works out just nicely. I like that. So while we're here, let me see if I've got room to stick a couple of these others that we made over the last day or so. Well, that's too thick. Too big, too big, too big. See if we can find a place in here that we can tuck them. Okay, so this is a pocket. Perfect fit, and the little heart shows. Let's see. We've got to find another place to put these two. Got one there. It's not a big enough tuck. We do have a card there, an envelope. Slide that under there with the envelope. A vellum pocket. That may be too much in that pocket, but nope. Yep. Too much. So does anyone else have the same problem trying to find a place for things? So anyway, we got them in, all up to date with day 27. So if you like what you see here today, give me a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button, because we still have to finish out the month of August, and this thing is getting really, really thick. So hopefully we can find enough spaces. I think we can. We don't have that many days left, so we still have a few pages. So then the links below, you will find my usual, the links for Victoria's Crafty Little Dragonfly. This is her fault. We're doing the art card August challenge. Ginger Bush over at Ginger Corner. She is joining me through this challenge. She's also using her scraps to make the ATC cards. I will link Genevieve Designs link below, and if I can find the her video on how to make the like my sticker books, the ephemera, excuse me, her ephemera books, I will try to find that video and link it. If not, I will link her channel. So day 28 is coming up. I will see y'all tomorrow, guys. Bye.